Hello traders, welcome to the new video. In this video we'll be talking about the IT fall, the crash. So let's jump into it. Right. The IT stocks were supposed to be safe. So why they are bleeding month by month? You can look in this chart. It's around 40,000. The fall has come till the 30,000. And more importantly, is this a crash or a golden opportunity? Let's break the IT sector fall without the fake optimism. In the last few months, IT sector have wiped out lakhs of crores in investment wealth. As of 2026, the fall is around more than 25%. Alone in 2026, the fall has started in 2025. Market darlings like Wipro, TCS and Infosys have fallen more than 30%, 40% from the top. And the retail investors are asking just one question: what went wrong? The real reason. The real problem is not the US, not India. The problem is America, Mr. Donald Trump. Over 70% of Indian IT revenues come from the US and the Europe. And right now, US companies are doing only one thing, which is cost cutting, because the interest rates stayed high. Thanks to the US Federal Reserves, companies paused digital transformations, new tech upgrades, big IT contracts were shelved. No new project is equals to no growth. The stock price that hits the stock price, which have reason for the fall. Then come the quarterly results. Profits were okay, but guidance, no guidance. Management basically said visibility is low, clients are cautious, and we expect miracles. And market hate uncertainty more than bad news. And now comes the AI fear. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, that is AI, artificial intelligence. Investors are scared that AI will reduce IT jobs, kill traditional services, compress margins. Is AI that dangerous for IT? Maybe in short term, but in long term, IT companies that will adapt with AI, that will earn more. It's all about the adaptability, the hidden truth. Years was most people won't tell you. The fall is not because IT is dying, it's because expectations were too high. After the COVID, we saw a bull run in the IT sector, which now with the fear of AI, US government, federal reserves, the IT is getting hit. IT stocks were trading at premium valuations. The momentum growth slowed, and the reality has hit. Even the US tech stocks, Nasdaq, corrected and IT fell. Indian IT fell with it. So here is the big question. Should you panic or prepare? If you are a trader, then it's opportunity. So you can buy when the market is going up, you can sell when it's falling. It's a good opportunity for the traders. If you are a long-term investors, quality IT companies during pessimism have historically created maximum wealth, massive wealth, but only if you buy with patience, not fear. So the IT sector isn't crashing, it's resettling. Those who understand the cycle of up, down, and the middle one is of consolidation, they will survive. Those who follow headlines will suffer unless you are a trader. If you want a stock wise breakdown and exact levels to watch, like this level, like this level, like this level, from here the fall has started. Like the video, subscribe and comment down IT below, because smart money moves quietly and now you know where to look. Thank you so much guys for watching.